What you eating, nigga?
He talking about what you eat. You got the motherfucking hash brown.
Busting no motherfuckers down, boy. Those just look good about. Bro, let me see the lighter, fam. But I feel like cutting up tonight, bro. Like, I'm not even drunk. I drunk a little bit, but I'm not drunk.
How the fuck now?
Huh?
There you go. Make sure you get that back.
Mm-hmm. You got that banger on you? Bro, I hope they don't park down here, bro. Huh?
That shit we been up here.
Oh, you had it on you?
What? They gonna be down.
Keep that motherfucker on you, ain't it? I'm about to cut up for a little bit. That was pretty smooth. That was pretty smooth. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Little quick little routine.
How long you had it?
All right, my bad. All right, I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill. Appreciate letting me do it one good time. Real shit though. All right, we gonna chill. Yeah, we gonna chill. Man, bro, I've had it for about like shit a good 2 weeks.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
You been handling things like that already. Alright.
Shit. Man, trial and error, man.
So you race?
Man, I'm trying to get into it.
But you see my cousin shit I posted? The black shit?
The black one? Nah, I didn't see it. Let me see it.
Damn, I should have had my car wash.
Look up Showtime Kobe.
What
Get
shoot?
the tires right for you.
Look up Showtime Kobe on your Instagram.
Showtime Kobe.
Oh Lord, that's a gun.
Tell him. Put it in fell. It be like that sometimes, so shit.
Rella burnt rubber.
I'm telling you, she talking about shit, you woke me up. That shit been funny as hell. Huh?
That was a girl security?
Yeah, that was the girl security guard.
Oh, I thought that was good.
You got to follow him, but shit. I had posted that shit the other day though. It ain't on my story no more.
Alright, OG. Have a good one, man.
He thought he was about to get some money for cleaning your tires.
Hell yeah.
Bro. That shit was yeah.
I did it was pretty smooth.
With the little space shit. Like that.
Yeah. Yeah. I was nervous at first because shit, they just parked right there, you feel me? So I was like, man, fuck. But I was like, man, bro, you already in the middle of the road, bro. Got the GoPro going, fuck it. You know what I mean?
I do want to ask a favor though. I want to get like a bag of chips and soda.
You said bag of chips, soda? Man, all I got is my card. Yeah, that's all I got. If I did have, if shoot,
if you decided if you want to.
yeah, when I go over there, I'll do it. I got you, no problem. Awkward silence.
Nigga hungry for real.
Hell yeah, shit. Bag of chips, soda. Fucking, I could help him out with it. Damn, why motherfuckers always make me feel bad, bro?
Bitch, you had me feeling bad the other night, motherfucker.
About what?
I was waiting on your ass. I'm like, man, everybody else telling me, man, tell Smooth he gonna have to wait. I'm still staying up. I'm like, man, I'm gonna do it, man. I got it, goddamn. Look out for me.
Oh, you talking about getting a hyena? Man, bro, because I knew, man, the only reason I did it like that, bro, is because I knew we wasn't gonna make it in time, fam. Like, for you to be able to make it to work and shit, I already knew,
I had
shoot.
to pick old girl up that morning and all.
Yeah, so shit, I ain't make it back into shit. Yeah, you was, yeah. Yeah. You wasn't gonna be able to fuck with that. That was gonna be inconsiderate of me too, shit. Yeah. But hell yeah, man. My little cousin Maury, shit, he ain't really fucking up. He saved it at the end, you feel me? But I was just like, all I really got to do is just get an alignment. I'm about to do that shit probably tomorrow, not probably. Yeah, you just passed me that shit. I don't know why it'd be like that. Man, bro. But shit, the only reason why I fucked up when I smashed that shit that day, bro, because I've never smashed it and held it that long, you feel me? Like shit, and I wasn't used to that bitch. Like shit, like since we did that shit that night, yeah, man, I'm good. I know how to do that motherfucking now. But shit, when I was just smashing that bitch, shit, I ain't know how to do it. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
Old girl changed her number on my ass.
Ooh,
Did
Ashley?
some dumb shit though. Nah. I went to her house like basically talking about another bitch.
Mm-hmm.
I was talking about Jen, the one I was staying with, part talking about her, cause bro, I mean, I kind of goddamn feel bad, bro, about like shit, bro. I mean, I did. I mean, I lost some money in the shit though too. Cause, like she was down. I told you about the shit. My 200.
No, you ain't tell me about that.
Bro. You know how motherfuckers be like, oh, you get somebody to damn, you get them half the rent and they pay your whole shit. But they doing like some scamming shit, though.
Bro, I told you that shit is a scam, bro. And them motherfuckers is gonna scam the shit out of you. That's exactly what happened, ain't it? Instead of you scamming the fucking rent company, they scammed y'all ass. I'm telling you, fam. Like when I told you about
$200 with that shit.
That shit with that hotel, bro, we's not doing that shit, bro, because we're gonna get arrested. I'm telling you.
Yo.
Shit, I done seen cases.
Yo. Over here by the Waffle House, down the street from Envy. Yeah. Star and the girl. So you left her ass.
No, nigga, she rolled me.
Where she at now?
On the river.
She got beat up?
First class.
She got beat up?
That was fucking fight.
Yeah. So what little Star did? She been banging?
You thought I never banged.
No, why they was fighting?
Probably some nigga
No,
shit.
brother, goddamn. The one that I was with was fighting the girl in the green that was in goddamn. The one that was in that green one piece. That was that goddamn.
The auntie?
Yes, but she was fighting auntie, bro.
She was getting on her ass. She said auntie ass was smelling like shit.
Bruh.
You said Didi beat her?
Auntie ass, broke auntie glasses and stomped on them bitches and some more shit.
Bro, what? We left too early. What the fuck?
Fucking early,
Bruh.
bro. I'm talking about, matter of fact, not even 3 minutes after y'all pulled off, they started banging out that bitch. I was like, oh shit. Cause shit, they made me leave out the parking lot. And then Didi was like, shit, turn back around, go back in. So I went back in and goddamn, sorry, you know, got me arguing. So Didi just
You can put that shit back on the fucking on speaker.
Yeah.
Waffle House.
Yeah, Waffle House. We done been in this bit by another 20, 30 minutes. Trying to go land some ass. So this is goddamn
Nah, we gotta get some footage.
laying some ass, nigga. I don't know, but I done fucked up with two.
You fucked up with.
Two side bitches. Naya changed her number on my ass because my dumb ass called myself going to her house today around like 7 o'clock. So over there, goddamn, talking to her, chilling like shit. I'm like, basically like, damn, bro, Jasmine about to piss me the fuck off, bro. I'm like, I'm slap that bitch. Like, she's hit, she goddamn. I'm over there with doing all that bullshit and talking to my dad, and she goddamn. She was sitting in the car with me, bro.
Mm-hmm.
She sat in the car. I'm in that bitch texting and shit. Texting. That bitch got out the car, bro. In the house. She said, I'll see you later, Carter. I'll see you later, Carter. I'm like, damn, bro, what the fuck you talking about? You ain't gonna...
She called you Carter by your name, last name?
She called me, and they called me Carter anyway, because, like, I work at a school, so they call me Mr. Carter.
Mm-hmm.
But then she sent me a long-ass paragraph saying, like, shit, I can't fuck with that shit, goddamn, blah, blah. But the bitch changed her number on me, nigga.
Oh, you talking about the one that
But
got
she
kicked
worked
out
with
her
me,
spot?
though. She worked with me, so it ain't really, you feel me?
But you already smashed, so
Yeah, plenty of
not to not to sound like that, but
Kid, I
shit.
seen it so many times. I done fucked her at her daddy hotel. I done fucked her at her mama truck. Nigga, stop, bro. I done fucked her at my mama house. Oh God. What up?
Bruh, but man, who the fuck wanted fucking them?
Yeah,
The
but they
fuck?
wasn't all that, bro. And you ain't even fuck Didi, bitch, trying to talk to me. I'm tired of your ass, boy. You ain't getting no ass from Didi, and you wanna talk to me.
Shit, Didi ass shit look like she was on. Go, nigga, shit. You should have scored with that.
When you go get it?
Wait,
Yeah, I'm on
you
your
ain't hit
ass.
it yet?
Huh?
You ain't hit it yet, fam?
I'll show you it's about that.
You ain't hit that shit, bro.
That's good.
Shit.
I'm about to see the video.
Did that nigga hung up?
Nigga lying, bro.
That nigga don't got no video.
That bitch bet not send no video to my phone.
Just, I want to see the booty cheek side.
So I'm about to see the video. That bitch ain't gonna see shit.
White girl, I got jungle fever. Shit, let me see the lighter.
She talking about you woke me up. Good, I should have had Jay. Fuck that. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. It's gonna cost no fucking dollars.
This is my signature, man. Whenever you see this, you know Smooth's been in town. Smooth's been around. My boy CeeLo finna get him a 392 in about a year. Facts. I'm already
I
knowing.
really want that 3-stripe motherfucker too though.
Beamer? I want that Beamer too.
The Camaro.
Oh,
The one with the 3 stripes though. You sit beside you. Off the
ZR1? You gonna get the ZR1?
The 2 though, motherfucker?
Yeah, Camaro, ZR1.
I don't want no stain.
Ugh. The only stain that I've seen that was good is T-Raw. Shit, my cousin Terrence.
This shit fast.
See, his shit manual. You feel me? So,
Stick.
yeah, and he know how to drive that motherfucker. Word.
You done pushed up on him on that?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Nah, we ain't lined up yet. I gotta get
pushed up
some.
on him, though?
Yeah, I pushed up on him. That after that night, you remember that night that I
Should've been dipped on his weekend. You ain't worry about the chips no more.
You ready? Huh?
It's fucking 4 o'clock, bro.
Yeah. Shit, let's go to
Columbia Mall parking lot.
for real?
Talking about for real?
Shit, let's go. Hell nah, don't. Huh?
I'm telling where the folks would be.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, okay, so I don't. Hell no.
That lighter back there? Hell no.
I didn't. Damn. Shit. Shit, where can we go?
I gotta go to church in the morning.
You going to church?
9 o'clock.
You gotta get
Pull
home.
up too, boy. You get church woman, boy, with that.
Push up. For real, bro.
Ain't nothing to go to church. I know you got something to throw on.
You know I'm a God-fearing
Early
man.
though, it's like 9:30. And it's down there by Bunky, so.
Bucky's. So where you going?
Huh? Truth Church.
Now I'm talking about tonight.
Actually, shit. I wish I could go to party.
All right, so let's go to
That shit right
to
there.
Food Lion. On Ghana's Ferry.
One across from the AT&T.
The one across from
Car wash and shit.
yeah. What's up, bro? Lighter. You ready? So I ain't gonna be for long, fam. Probably like 15 minutes to the max.
We about to hit the interstate.
Yeah. And then we go. Yeah. Shoot, where you want to get off for? Leesburg?
Right there on 10.
Yeah, I think so. Get off on Leesburg, then.
Leesburg, nigga.
Huh?
Leesburg.
Yeah.
Leesburg?
Yeah, Leesburg.
Fuck you going to Leesburg?
Shit, boom, but get off on Leesburg, then go behind that cemetery. Then after that, bust that right.
That food on.
Yeah, cause then after that, all we gotta do is just make that right back on that where that railroad track is at. Cause shit, that Food Lion be hot as fuck. Just follow me, fam. It's, huh? Oh, you finna slide it too?
You drive that bitch.
All right.
Two different outlooks on life. You can tell from my bitches to my attire. She desires a life. Foreign cars posted in front of. Damn, that view cold. from that view code. To get ahead, she still lingers on my mind. Perfume, pretty pink pussy, it's hard to forget. Break her back like a chiropractor. Back on the road running. 20s keep piling up. Shoebox money turns to a steel safe, nailed down. Hold me down and I show you how to adapt. Anywhere, ain't the world like a Ferris wheel going round and round. Rounds left on the ground, that's how we show love. I done seen love get niggas crossed out plenty of times. Hard times make the strong, pride runs too deep. Hit is 308 in the 803, roar loud like a lion when I get back in the corner. Crisscross it between enemy lines, get you knocked off in the worst way. Two different outlooks.
I see blue lights, man. I get this tweaking. Me get the thinking. That's the boy. Fuck that.
Hide and seek in. All varieties from 10 till dark in the berry, sweeter the juice. Let's get lost off this Patron. I know you like mixing yours with juice. Go ahead, roll up another one, babe. I'ma smoke this to the face. Why you give me a script tease before you hit your knees? Just know I'ma bubble like bubbles in the jacuzzi. Sitting with you with a Uzi.
Camaro boy had some. Hey, that Camaro had some get up. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I was just in fucking. I was just in sport mode, street mode. I wasn't even in fucking. Huh, I tell you.
Hey, nigga, you hear my voice, dog? Like, nigga, boy, you better bust this shit, dog.
Hey, hey, I was only in street mode too, dog.
Boy, listen, I was like, boy, you better bust his ass down, bro. He ain't get wrong, you know, ain't it?
Huh? Nah, he got to the side of me, but I started letting off the gas and shit. That's when he shot past me, but shit.
A lot of goddamn sirens and shit, though, so shit, we gonna have to, yo, we got to go.
Do that shit real quick.
Yeah.
CeeLo ass taking off. Alright. Shoot. It was? Man, hey, I changed my RPMs, right? Fuck, nigga. So I changed my RPMs, right? So that shit should make my shit not spin out so much more, you feel me? It catch grip more. You hear how like the tires sound like they gripping? How it's not like spinning how it was? How it sound like it's skipping type shit? Yeah. That's because I changed my my RPM.
Police hit brakes, nigga. That's why I took the fuck off. When we was coming through that light, nigga, that bitch had to hit brakes.
Alright, so basically, yeah, just hold right here.
Yeah, definitely. Missing one of them center shits though.
Yeah. That's why I hesitated.
You found that? You know I'm from.
Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about. That's why I kind of hesitated a little bit, bro, because I thought I was going to pop the tire, bro, and I really don't want to pop the tire. Does it feel like it?
Nah, but you can tell it's eating though. Hey, I said, try to like go right there and like punch that bitch and like do a little straight takeoff type shit.
Alright, man.
But see, you know, you can whip that bitch goddamn. Good. Good, I heard that. they go crazy. I can't even lie. You about to get the feeling of that bitch now. You say fuck that. You said check engine. You said the engine light on? That could be anything though, to be honest with you. Check engine could be anything though.
Oil change. Alright, now let's get home. And that's how we gonna end the video.